Be prepared to be impressed the moment you enter this immaculate 2-bedroom plus den condo. The kitchen offers a large island with quartz counters and stainless steel appliances, tons of counter space, and pull-out shelving. There are many upgrades throughout, included 24-inch tile flooring, upgraded cabinetry, closet shelving, a beautiful master bathroom with separate tub and shower, and so much more. The bedrooms are spacious and offer great closets, and the den is huge and is large enough to be used as a bedroom if needed. Azure at Hacienda Lakes is one of Naples' most popular resort-style neighborhoods. The coastal construction and fabulous amenity center will make you feel like you're on vacation every day. Residents enjoy a resort-style pool, library, billiards room, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, and so much more. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for to live the Florida lifestyle you deserve. Contact me today for more information.